ইমান বেয়াকে আছে কিয়? হ'ব। Yes, please.
Yes,
Yes.
Your
You
Lordship,
want to
for
make a mention?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Yes, Your Lordship. For item number 1, Your Lordship.
You are Mr. Raman, right?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Raman.
Your Lordship, I have received the objection from the CBI. And
Ms. Kumar, you have filed an objection today.
Already filed.
Has it come on record?
Long back we have filed.
Just check if it has come on record or not. You want some time today, Mr. Rahman?
yes, Your Lordship.
Mr. Shekhar is also there.
I'm in item number 2.
Huh.
He's in item number 2, Your Lordship.
When do you want it?
Your Lordship, can we have it on 28 or 29?
Yes, sir.
When any 28, 29, you take your call. When do you want it?
Any day will be fine with me, Your Lordship.
28, 29, Kumar Reddy. As prayed for by Mr. R. Rahman, right?
J. Raman.
J. Raman, sorry. J. Raman, Leonard, and J. Raman, Leonard Council appearing in item number 1, day 2. For the petitioner, relist on such and such date to enable the petitioner to go through the objection filed on behalf of the CBI. The second matter, list along with so and so.
Deeply obliged.
So both will be heard together.
Let it come together
Okay.
because it's easy. That day we will see if,
Yes, madam.
Yes.
isn't it,
Yes.
Mr.
Well,
Shekhar,
yours is the-
because it makes sense.
Yes, madam.
Most likely the objection will be similar.
Yes.
So
The
All right.
facts are a little bit different for both.
I remember, Mr. Rahman.
yes, yes, Your Lordship.
But let's make an attempt together, and if we have difficulty, we will see how it goes.
In the meantime, I will file a
Yes.
reply.
Yes, yes. In the meantime, tolotutu lekho je as prayed for so and so, in order to go through the instructions, and if so advised, to file reply. To add kori diba dutate. I'm adding that part in both, huh? If
Yes,
so
yes, Your
advised,
Lordship. We
you
will
are,
file our reply, Your Lordship.
can file your replies.
Yes, madam.
Deeply obliged.
Like to mention item number 7, Your Lordship. I have taken the consent of the other side, Lordship, for the adjournment,
This is an admission matter.
Lordship.
You are for the,
Respondents, Your Lordship.
you have taken consent from the
Lordship.
petition.
I'm-
You are for the, as prayed for by MS,
M. Burman. on
M.
behalf of
Bormon,
Mrs.
learned
A.
counsel appearing on behalf of
Mrs. A. Gayani.
Mrs. A. Gayan, learned CGC, with consent from the petitioner,
MBDM.
Mr.
MBDM.
Mr. Mberia, learned counsel for the petitioner. Relist, yes, when? After?
Next Tuesday.
We'll not give you a fixed date. After a week on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Plus.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 28, Lordship. Lordship, matter will be taken up in the next week, Lordship.
Why?
Lordship, my senior Ms. P. Chakraborty is not well, Lordship, suffering from fever.
You are for the petitioner.
Lordship.
As prayed for on behalf of MS Adas.
P. Chakraborty.
P. Chakraborty, learned counsel. You are P. Chakraborty.
K. Khan.
So what is your name? Please tell me your name. MS A. Khan, learned counsel, huh?
K. Khan.
K. Khan, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Relist after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Obliged, Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 16, Lordship, with the consent of the other side.
1-6.
Yes, Lordship.
You are for petitioner.
Yes, on behalf of Mrs. S. Sharma Hazarika. For the
As prayed for on behalf of Mr.
Mrs.
Your name, counsel, first tell your names.
K. Rasmedi.
Huh?
K. Rasmedi.
K. Ras Medi.
Lordship,
Learned counsel
pleadings-
appearing on behalf of MS S. Sharma Hajorika, learned counsel for the petitioner.
Yes, Lordship.
Relist after 2 weeks on a
3
date to be
weeks.
fixed by the registry. 3 weeks. Yes.
Obliged, Lordship.
I beg to mention item number 11, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Kindly adjourn for the day and list.
You are for whom?
I am for the, I'm engaged on request of that.
You are for the
counsel
petitioner or for the
petitioner.
respondent? Petitioner. As prayed for on behalf of MS
M. Das.
M. Das. Your M. Das?
I am R. Dutta.
Counsels, why is so confusion there today? Miss M. Das, is she present in this court? Is she
No.
making this mention? Who is making this mention?
R. Dutta.
Then when I'm asking your name, please give me your name. Because
Like,
It so happens that sometime you make a mention and someone comes and say, no, we have not made a mention. That is why for record, we need to have the name of that council who's making the mention. So when I'm asking your name, please give me your name. Please follow don't come prepared to say what has been told by your seniors. Please follow what is happening in the court, councils. This is the 4th time I'm trying to correct you all today. As prayed for by MS
Add
R.
Datta.
Datta, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, relist after 3 weeks on a date to be finalized on the date to be fixed by the registry. Yes, next.
May it please your lordship, so the consent of the other side, I beg to mention item number 27. Madam.
27. And you are for
For the respondent,
the cooperative?
the cooperative.
Petitioner is here. Anyway, you have taken consent. As prayed for by Mr.
K.A. Sodial.
K.S. Sodial, learned
Oh,
standing counsel.
No, on behalf of.
Learned counsel appearing on behalf of the standing counsel cooperative department with consent from the petitioner side, relist after
3 weeks.
3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
May I please your lordship, I beg to mention item 50 with the consent of the other side.
Item
Item 50,
50.
50. The learned counsel is suffering from mumps, so they adjourned for 2 weeks.
Petitioner.
Yes, petitioner.
Item 50. Did you? As prayed for on behalf of Mr. As prayed for by Mr.
JP Borua,
J.P. Barua, learned counsel appearing for the
petitioner on
petitioner, relist after 2 weeks. 2 weeks or 3 weeks?
3 weeks.
3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. Yes.
Deeply obliged.
May it please your lordship. I beg to mention item number 26, your lordship.
Yes, what do you want?
Engaged counsel is out of station. That is,
Petitioner,
yes, yes.
Petitioner?
Yes.
as prayed for by Mr.
R.A. Lohakar.
R.A. Lawker, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, relist after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Obliged.
May it please your lordship, this is Dr. H. Sharma. I'm on behalf of Senior Advocate Chinmay Chaudhary. I would like to make a mention for the petitioner.
Item
Item number 202 of 2024.
item 20.
202.
You want what is your prayer for listing?
Yes.
For listing. Aji, there is a senior bench. You please make a set prayer before the appropriate bench.
Take your place.
Supplementary list for withdrawal, item number 58 to 61.
May please your lordship. We have mentioned for withdrawal of item number 58 only, but some other matter has been listed and those matters were tagged with this matter.
Those councils are here.
I am the counsel for other matters.
But you want to withdraw only 58?
58.
All right, in 58. This is only in 58, huh? Heard Mr. I. Rafiq,
Yes.
learned counsel appearing for the writ petitioner. Anyone for the respondents? Yes, central government? Central government, anyone there? Also heard Mr. KK, AK, Datta, learned CGI. Learned CGI, stop. Mr. I. Rafiq, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner submits that he has been instructed by the by the petitioner not to press the instant writ petition.
Yes.
Accordingly, he makes an endorsement before this court. In view of the aforesaid endorsement, the writ petition stands dismissed on being withdrawn, disposed of.
Yes.
And the rest of the matters.
All those matter has been is fixed for 8 of August.
List as fixed earlier.
Obliged.
Relist as fixed.
Order in this cell of party, item number 3.
It will dispose of. Yes, impeachment of the new incumbent.
Yes. The respondent 2, 3 has retired.
2 and 3. And who is the new incumbent?
Lordship may find at page 3 of the IAM.
No, you want the name. Where do I find the name?
Page 3.
Page 3. Yes.
Kumar and Mohantan.
So these are the 2 persons you want. You are seeking for impeachment. And they have now they have been they are holding post of
That the first one is holding the post of PCCF Assam. The second is the conservator. for
Earlier 2 and 3.
2 and 3.
Earlier 2 and 3. Okay. Heard Mr.
P. Hazarika. P. Hazarika.
P. Hajorika, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Stop. By way of this impleading application, comma, the applicant is seeking impleadment of the new incumbent to the post of the Principal Chief Conservator of Forest and Head of Forest Force Assam and IC Additional Principal Chief Conservator of Forest within bracket legal cell Office of the Principal Chief Conservator of Forest and Head of Forest Force Assam in the present contempt accompanying contempt proceedings. It appears that during the pendency of the instant contempt proceeding, the respondent numbers 2 and 3 have demitted their office, and therefore it has become essential to implead the new incumbents. At page 3, 1 and 2 are saying, I so and so in the place of the said retired respondent numbers 2 and 3. Stop. In view of the above, the impleadment application stands allowed. Accordingly, so and so is impleaded in the connected contempt case as respondent numbers
3 and 4.
3 and 4,
No,
not 3,
no,
4 and 5.
5 and 6.
5 and 6, registry due to the needful disposed of. And in the contempt proceeding,
We have taken prescription respondent 1.
contempt proceeding or diba, an amended cost title, huh? The diba hetu. In the contempt, you say that Mr. So and so submits that fresh steps
On respondent 1, we have taken on 25th of
has been taken
July.
in respect of respondent number
1.
1. Stop. In view of the impleadment of respondent number 5 and 6 by so and so order, let notice by registered post ADs after so and so be taken.
Well,
And he amendment to je koribo disu hetu within a period of 2 days from today.
Public.
You submit that
Well, public.
released after 3 weeks.
Number 4.
Impleadment, new incumbent,
Implement for respondent number 4 and 5.
new incumbent, which post?
Chief Secretary of Government of
Where do I get their names? The new, the proposed respondents,
Respondent number 4, Kalyan Secretary.
respondent number
4 and 5.
4 and 5.
Is number 4 for IF.
Heard so and so. You're also there. Also heard Mr. A. Bhattacharjee for learned counsel appearing for the respondent number 3. By way of this by way of this application, the applicant is seeking impleadment of the new incumbents to the post of Additional Chief Secretary to the Government of Assam, Panchayat and Rural Development Department, and the Commissioner Panchayat and Rural Development Department, Assam, in the accompanying contempt proceedings. Stop. It appears that prior to, it appears that during pendency of the contempt proceeding, the respondent numbers 1 and 2 has been transferred from their post. And in their place, Dr. 4 and 5, Dr. B. Kalyan Chakrabarti, IAS, and MS. Kirti Jali, IAS, has been holding that post. in place of the respondent number 1 and 2. In view of the above change, it has become essential for implementing the aforesaid two new incumbents in the accompanying contempt proceeding. Accordingly, the implement application stands allowed. So and so implemented and in the as respondent numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5 amended cost title, registry to do the needful, disposed of. And the within 2 days, right? Oh. So for the, I think advocates have already appeared for 1, 2, and 3 also. So I will just notice heard so and so, also heard Mr. S. Datta for respondent numbers.
1 and 2.
Datta, you are for 1 and 2.
Yes.
For 1 and respondent content number for 1 and 2, and Mr. A. Bhattacharjee,
For respondent number 3.
respondent number 3. In view of the implement or in view of the order passed in the implement application, let notice by registered post AD be taken in respect of the newly implemented respondent numbers 4 and 5 within 3 days from today. List after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. In the meantime, the contemptor stroke respondent numbers 1, 2, 3, if so advised, may file their respective return in the matter.
Hello.
Can you
Item number 5.
My lord, here, my lord, I have filed an IA, my lord, for implement. The earlier petition respondent 1 retired, my lord.
But Lordship,
And
the order has been complied, Lordship. I have given the offer.
complied?
Yes,
my lord, the new incumbent has passed an order, my lord. But
Complied or not complied?
partially complied, my lord. The area service benefit that has not been worked out, my lord. So implement page 7, you also will find my implement names.
No, but what was the order of the court?
Order your is to regularize the service, my lord.
So that has been done.
And
If you are not, if you are having any grievance, you go before
And
the
also
appropriate
the-
forum.
Lordship, regarding the consequences, Lordship, clause 24 of this order.
Which order? This order.
The Lordship, clause 24. Last piece.
Your consequential benefit accrued with effect of so and so up to so and so is being worked out and will be released within a period of 4 months.
Yes.
So it is done.
Yes.
Maybe, my lord, I have not issued.
Why don't you give him a copy? You have a look at it. I'll take it up after next matter. Just have a look at it. I think then we can dispose it
Yes.
of. No point of keeping this. He'll call in another one after 1 or 2 matters. You just have a look, Mr. Barwa.
Petition item number 6.
Yes.
This matter, petitioner has died.
Petitioner has?
Petitioner has expired, my lord, and he has expired, my lord, and his legal heirs, my lord, we need to substitute them, my lord. We are unable.
You want some time?
We want some.
As prayed for by Mr. Chaudhary, na?
R.A. Chaudhary.
R.A.
R.A. Chaudhary.
Mr. R.A. Chaudhary, Learned Counsel, appearing for the petitioner, relist after 3 weeks. 3 weeks to enable the petitioner to do the needful as the petitioner in the during the pendency of the writ petition has expired. Correct? This is what you submitted.
Lordship.
And record the name of Mr. T. Chutia, additional senior government counsel for respondent number 1.
Highly appreciated.
Item number 8, 9, and 10.
Regularization.
I am for 10, my lord.
Hmm? Huh?
Fixed payment, fixed pay as per Upenda's case, my lord.
Upendas.
Upenda's case.
Since it requires a verification exercise, my lord, similar orders have been passed, where my lord.
It only diok. I think the other day even this court has.
Yes, lots of orders have been
yes,
passed. This is
lots
what
of order.
for reference file.
You want that part, na? That verification part.
My lord.
Verification. However, verification has been already done, my lord. I have information. Yes. Yes.
Gasoline as a calculation issue.
I'll pass the similar order.
Yes,
Then.
my lord.
Hmm?
Similar, my lord. But my lord, I am.
You are
appearing for
working,
10.
huh?
I am appearing for 10 only.
For 10 minutes.
Item
Item number 10.
Where are the councils for 8 and 9? Huh?
They are
Who is
not
for 8 and 9?
The last
Three
occasion
deca.
also, I think.
We can call it twice, and if till they don't come, we can dispose it off with
Right.
similar. Why don't we just give? Can you wait for some time?
Yes, my
Huh?
lord.
And in
Yes.
the meantime, can you just, Mr. Gogoi,
Well, I'll.
huh? Just try and contact the council.
Fine, I'll-
Ito ekelege mati dibo. Whenever you all are ready, you are free to inform the court. Must.
Yes, my lord.
I'm thinking item 5.
Yes. Huh, Mr. Barwa?
I have seen, my lord.
Yeah,
They will-
contempt to do. So let me dispose of the contempt. first. And in view of the contempt, the IA anyway will become infractional. Correct. Heard Mr. B. Barwa, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. Huh? K. Kalita, learned counsel appearing for contemptor number 1, 2, 3. No?
Yes.
Contemptor stroke respondent numbers 1, 2, 3. Stop. By way of this contempt petition, the petitioner has drawn the attention of this court to the alleged willful deliberate disobedience to the Honorable Court's judgment and order dated 24/11/2023, passed in WPC number 3651 of 2019. Also the writ appeal
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, my lord.
and further disregard of the judgment and order dated 6/6/2018, passed in WA number 56/2018.
Not that, my lord. Page 58, my lord.
Hmm?
Page 58.
But this is what you have given in your cause title,
That is a, my lord, a common order, my lord.
58.
58.
Order dated 14/8/24, passed in WA 176/2024. What is that SLP?
Against that order, Lordship, we have moved to a Supreme Court, Lordship. The SLP was dismissed.
Where do I get the operating part of the order of the single judge?
My lord, your lordship will find page 28.
Page
28, paragraph 13, 14.
13, 14.
Yes, ma'am.
Apt to reproduce the relevant portion of the judgment and order dated 24/11/2023, which reads as here under A to A. Okay. Reading of the aforesaid paragraph, it appears that the learned single judge has allowed the writ petition and has further directed the respondent's IOCL to forthwith issue necessary orders granting regularization of the service of the writ petitioner in terms of the directions of this court, read with judgment and order dated 6/6/2018, passed in WA number 56/2018. It appears that against the aforesaid order of the learned single judge, an appeal was filed before the division bench, which the learned division bench of this court, by judgment and order dated 14/8/2024, was pleased in WA 176/2024, was pleased to uphold the judgment of the learned single judge, against which an SLP was also filed, which the Honorable Supreme Court, by order dated 14/8/2024, was pleased to reject. Rejected. Today,
8/7/2025.
by what?
SLP order, Lordship. 8/7.
Okay, SLP order is 8/7/2025. by order date 18th. Today, when the matter has been called, Mr. Kalita, learned counsel appearing for the contrary respondent, submits a letter dated 27/2025, a copy of which has been also served upon the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Stop. A perusal of the same indicates that which part of the order? Where is that regularization part?
First
Paragraph?
paragraph. In compliance with honorable court's order, judgment dated so
Ah,
and so, your
It
service.
appears that the respondents, in compliance with this court's order dated 24/11/2023 in WPC number 3651 of 2019, has regularized the services of the petitioners
Yes.
with effect from 13/5/1997 for the post of housekeeping attendant GR1 in the pay scale of rupees 23,000-78,000 7. Okay. Stop.
Last piece.
Relevant portion of the order reads as here under A to A. In view of the above, it appears that the order of this court stands complied. Accordingly, the contempt petition stands closed and in the interior disposed of. Interim to Koba, in view of the order passed in so and so, the interlocutory application stands is dismissed on being in fact. And it would main case what a copy of this letter is kept on record and marked as X. It X mark kore dibo de.
Item number 12 and 38.
Dikhtar paisa na?
May it please your lordship, in this matter, I need to take instruction from the client lordship.
All right. As prayed for by Mr.
Ardeka lordship.
Ardeka, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, relist after 2 weeks to enable the learned counsel appearing on behalf of the petitioner to obtain instruction from his client.
That's all.
I am preparing for CVC lordship.
You need if you want your appearances to be marked, then please give it in a slip to the court master. He'll put it. Apna appearance slip kumbai dila didibo.
Lordship, there is an interim debt maker.
Interim, if any, shall continue till the next date of listing.
Much obliged.
Item 14 and 15.
Appearance slips ko loi lobo lagi. Yes, 14/15 compassionate appointment. Where is the petitioner? We'll take it after some time. In the meantime, you keep those dates ready. When did the concerned person die? When was the application filed, DLC, SLC, whatever has happened? Keep those dates ready.
Item number 17.
As per my instruction, my petitioner got the relief.
Huh?
Petitioner,
Release from service.
yeah, that is he retired from the Anganwadi worker.
But where is he?
That was by as per instruction 2nd August of 2000.
Anyway, Mr. Shitya, I think
Petitioner.
petitioner is not there.
Yes, yes, yes.
None appears for the petitioner. Relist next week on a date to be fixed by the registry. Give your names. Counsels, and for respondents, you want your attendance to be marked, just give the appearance slip.
Item 18.
Yes,
Well,
pensionary benefit.
No,
Right, Honikar?
Overstay in service, my lord.
Ah,
1 year, my lord.
yes.
So, my lord, more than 7 lakhs were recovered, my lord, for a day.
So affidavit is required. Huh?
I'm waiting for proper instruction, Lordship.
Have you got the instructions?
I have got the instruction, Lordship.
Not
it's
full.
Not full.
Not full.
Not full, Lordship.
Heard Mr. A. Khanikar, learned counsel for the writ petitioner. Also heard Mr. N. Upadhyay, learned standing counsel, Irrigation Department, Assam. Mr. Upadhyay, learned counsel appearing for the respondent department, submits that though he has received instructions in the matter, however, the same is not full and complete in order to submit the return. He accordingly seeks a short accommodation to have the complete instructions so as to enable him to file the return immediately. Prayer is allowed, released after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Nineteen and 20.
Yes,
My lord, here, that item one,
suspension.
suspension, my lord. The petitioner actually already he is given compulsory retirement, premature retirement, that is challenged and that is pending before the. So-
That consequential compulsory retirement is also pending before this court.
Yes, my lord.
So,
So-
do you want both the matters to be taken up together? When is that matter fixed?
On 12.
Should I have this matter?
My lord, it is different, my lord,
Ah.
because it is, the 19 and 20 is under the provision of CCA rules.
19 and 20, the two cases.
Two cases.
Yes.
For irregularities and in the,
What is the issue in item 19?
my lord, of initially,
What is the issue?
the issue is
Yes,
It's
Mr.
like a
Counsel,
financial-
what is the issue?
financial.
My lord, the 19 it is the suspension, my lord,
Correct.
and that is then 20, it is.
So, it was not reviewed within the specific time. What is the case?
The suspension, it was stayed, my lord, stayed by this honorable court, and they have filed one IA for modification of that order, and that was also, order was passed, then as the case is ready for.
Well,
hearing-
I'm posting these matters on 12. We'll see on 12 with the other matter. Let these matters be relisted on 12 so and so, along with, give that number,
Yes, I'll give.
WPC so and so.
I'll give.
My lord.
Item 21.
Just give that number, huh?
I'll give.
I'm sorry, in item number 17, there is I was not present here, Lordship. Item 17.
Huh.
I was in Lexington Fort number 4. The Lordship has talked about the matter for the day.
So, we've already passed the order. Why are you interfering the judicial proceedings? Yes. Which is this matter, item 21?
Similar relates to family pension, madam. The minor son, claim of minor son, my lord.
Family pension?
Yes, yes.
Yes. What is the stand taken in your affidavit, Ms. Sharma?
Lordship, already we have released everything, paragraph 10,
Para 10.
paragraph 10, page 47. Already been released, Lordship. Respondent 7. In pursuance to High Court order.
Yes.
My lord, Lordship will see the last order, my lord. By the last order, my lord, half of the pension received by the private respondent, my lord, has been stopped, my lord.
Has been stopped.
Yes. Let's see, engage the.
That is because there is some dispute
Yes, Lordship, but
But
the
I think-
dispute between the parties.
between the wives.
Yes, between the wives.
What can we do? You solve your dispute. Government has already released it. No, that cannot, what can the, correct? Mr. Goswami, Ms. Sharma?
Yes, Lordship. Between the wives, then
Hmm.
they will solve it.
As far as state is concerned, state has released it to
Already
the
been
so and so.
released. Yes.
And next of kin issued by subdivisional officer.
Yes,
My lord, in the next of kin, my lord, my son's name has been not.
Yes,
Well, what had happened in this case,
you are for?
I am for the respondent number 7, but that I have newly engaged by the legal aid council as a legal aid counsel. So let the matter be taken up after 2 weeks, my lord, I will
Okay, as prayed for on behalf of the respondent number, as prayed for by Mr.
R Islam.
R. Islam, Learned Legal Aid Council, appearing on behalf of the respondent number 7, relist after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. Please give everybody's, mark your
Yes,
reference.
My lord, initially, I was appearing for respondent number 7.
Anyway, now the Legal Aid Council has been given, we have given some time. Yes,
My vocal number is allowed to withdraw, my lord.
that you file an application. Yes.
Item 22.
Twenty-two, null appears for the petitioner, relist after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Item 23.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, matter relates to provincialization of service, my lord. Due to some spelling error, my lord, her name was left out, my lord. Yeah.
Affidavits have been filed.
Yes, my lord, the Director of Secondary Education, he has filed the affidavit, and if your lordship will come to annexure 4 of the affidavit, my lord, already the post has been created, and from among 5 posts has been created, and from among them, 2 of them has been already provincialized, my lord. And my name is also there. So if your lordship will come to page 59 of the affidavit. Everything
Your
will be-
name is also there.
Yes, my lord.
So that
That's-
means,
Even mine should be provincialized. And one more thing, my lord, one of the
yes,
person, my lord, this one Omar Ali Sheikh, second number, my lord.
yes.
He approached this honorable court before the report of the joint committee was submitted, my lord. And this honorable court has passed an order that there is no provision for joint committee in the Provincialization of Service Act. So his services should be provincialized if there is no impediment. That order is also there. So mine, everything has been done, my lord.
You
All the
are
verification-
serial number 5.
Serial number 4, Archana Fukan, my lord. And she has been working since 1992, my lord.
Is what, why you are not provincializing? There is a recommendation.
Your lordship, just because her name has been wrongly typed, so that is the reason why the service has not been provincialized.
So you, who has to correct it?
Everything has been corrected.
That has been already done, your lordship.
So then it will be done?
Yes, already.
How much time?
Lordship, 3 weeks time, your lordship.
In 3 weeks time it will be done. Then I can record your submission and I'll dispose of.
Yes, your lordship, because we have
Huh?
already stated in our affidavit also, your lordship.
Where, which para?
In para number 5, your lordship.
For 2 months. 2 months. 2 months.
Yes. Para 5.
Where it says that the petitioner could not be provincialized as the petition name was wrongly typed as Archana Goswami instead of Archana Fukan, your lordship.
And then it was, where is it said that now it has been recommended here in this paragraph?
In the paragraph, it has not been stated, your lordship, but in our annexure, it is there, your lordship, in 59, your lordship.
Okay.
Page number 59.
All right. I think we can do it then.
2 months, your lordship, instead of.
2 months. Okay, okay. Who came and prompted you that?
And just
Yes.
one more submission. I
Uh.
would like to give this thing because the other incumbents of her school, they were provincialized with effect from 1st of January 2021. So my provincialization.
No, I'll say in accordance with law. I'm not going to specify all that. Give me.
It has been specified in the coordinating order of the other, if I can give.
In accordance with law will be in accordance with law.
Lordship, again, they will create problems.
What problems?
But Lordship can see the other order also of the coordinating bench, madam.
What is this?
This is the name of the school of the petitioner, my lord. Melong Provincial Higher Secondary School. Base school is now Melong Provincial Higher Secondary School. Panchim Chowkat UM Vidyalaya District, Jorat, with effect from 1st January 2021 with the following terms and conditions. Ma'am.
You want 1st January?
Yes, madam. 2021, madam. And all consequences.
Heard, and there was another judgment you said of the
Yes, madam. But here there was a mistake regarding the date, so they have filed an IA also, and that has been corrected.
Just show me that.
Yes, ma'am. Both the two.
I need you.
If your lordship will kindly see para 19 and 20, that is the operative portion, my lord. 19 and 20. And in the IA, this is
All right. Heard MS,
JM Conform.
JM
Conform.
Kaur, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner. Stop. Also heard MS,
H Terang P, Your Lordship.
Rang P,
Terang 2.
Terang P, Learned Counsel appearing for
Respondent number 1 and 2, Your Lordship.
1 and 2. You are standing counsel.
Yes, sir.
Standing counsel, secondary education. Secondary education. And then MS Barwa. S Barwa for Learned Junior Counsel. Junior Government, Learned Government Council, don't say Junior Government Council for respondent number 4. Yes, and anybody else?
For finance man.
Finance, who's there? Ms. Sharma, Finance? MS Borthakur on behalf of Mr. P. Nayak, Learned Standing Counsel, Finance, respondent number 5. By way of this application under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, the petitioner is seeking is assailing the unreasonable and unjustified, the alleged unreasonable and unjustified deprivation of the petitioner from the benefit of provincialization of her services as assistant teacher within bracket ARTS of Pachim Chokat Vidyalay District Jorhat, inasmuch as she has been excluded from the provincialization list published on 4/2/2021. Stop.
I just interrupt your lordship, madam. Now the base school will be Melong Provincial High School. It's there in the order dated 4/2/2021. Base school will be, because it has been amalgamated, so it will be
Which order?
4/2/2021, the copy which I have given to your lordship.
It is the specific case of the petitioner that the petitioner is entitled to be provincialized to where?
Melong Provincial High School. Serial number 1, Melong. It's there.
To the Melang provincialized HS higher secondary school as the base school for this school. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the identified as base school for this particular school, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, then just delete that. It is the specific case of the writ petitioner that since Melang provincialized high secondary school has been identified as the base school for
Pachim Chaukat Vidyalay.
for Pachim Chaukat Vidyalay Jorhat, comma, the petitioner is entitled to be provincialized against the aforesaid Melang Provincial High School. Stop. During the pendency of the writ proceeding, an affidavit in opposition has been filed. Relevant paragraph of the aforesaid affidavit opposition reads as under A to A. Huh? A to A, page 46 to 50. Reading of the aforesaid paragraphs, it is apparent that initially, since the name of the petitioner has been wrongly typed as Archana Goswami instead of Archana Fukan. Her name was not in the list, in the impugned provisionalized list. However, it appears that subsequently in the recommendation for proposal for creation of 5 numbers of post of tutors for provincialization of services under the provisions of the Provincialization Act 2017 and as amended in 2018, the name of the petitioner is recommended at serial number 4. A relevant portion of the aforesaid order dated, what is the date? 2/9/2024 reads as under A2A, page 59. Thus, it is apparent that the name of the petitioner has been recommended for provincialization. MS so-and-so, Learned Standing Council, Secondary Education, in her usual fairness, submits that within a period of 2 months from the receipt of the certified copy of the order, the entire exercise of provincialization the services of the petitioner shall be completed. In view of the aforesaid endorsement made by the Learned Council appearing for the Education Department, and also upon perusing the averments, including the recommendation order as extracted herein above, this court is of the opinion that this petition can be disposed of with a direction to the respondent authorities to provincialize the service of the petitioner to the Melang Provincialized High School with effect from 1st January 2021. Correct? In accordance with law. That should be.
Yes, and plus the consequential benefits and all that. It's there in that previous order.
It is needless to be clarified that on conclusion of the process on conclusion of the provincialization process, the services of the petitioner shall be so all consequential benefits shall also be given in accordance with law.
That's the
Disposed of.
pay and allowances, my lord.
Only pay and allowance, not seniority.
Seniority, pay, allowance, everything. my
So
lord.
everything will come.
Yes, ma'am.
But this order is because here initially it said of the
Pachim Chowk High School.
So in my order, I have only said the other one, Melang. So that is all right, right, Ms. Kuar?
Melang, but it's better we should include the previous school's name also, madam.
So you just put it in a piece of paper how you want that operating part to be, because there should not be any confusion there. Just put it in a piece of paper, we will incorporate in the order. Okay?
Deeply obliged.
Item 24.
Disposed of.
I'm sorry, my lord, in item 22, your lordship already picked. My name may be kindly be shown.
No, the order has passed. Please don't intervene during the judicial process. If anything is there, you please mention to the court master. After the matters are over, you can approach the bench. Yes. Item 24.
Should this matter fixed along with the item 19 and 20? Same party,
Same part.
same part.
So 19 and 20, আমি কি করিলো?
12, this matter fixed on 12.
Okay. So this also, give this to Bhargav. He has given an order. So with that. 19 and 20, koi diba Bhargav.
Good.
Yes.
Item number 25.
25 to
Leading to family question, lordship. The husband of the
affidavits, Ms. Sharma.
Chief, I think affidavit is not required, but it's like clear instruction. And, she has not submitted the proper document.
Yes, you submit your proper documents, they will process it in accordance with law. All right. Heard Mr. Amjad Shah, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard MS S. Sharma, Learned Standing Counsel Health, and Mr. D. Bhattacharjee, Learned Standing Counsel Accountant General, and Mr. A. Chakrabarti, Learned Revenue. Learned Counsel appearing for respondent number 6. By way of this petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, the petitioner is seeking grant of the family pension and other benefits which is due to her deceased husband, with adequate interest. Stop. Brief facts of the case is that the petitioner's deceased husband, Jahiruddin Ahmed, who was working as grade 4 employee in the office of Additional Chief Medical and Health Officer, within bracket capital FM, Nagaon, under the Director of Health Services, within bracket FW, Assam, and by order dated 30/12/2002, issued by Director of Health Services, PW, Assam, has voluntarily retired from service, which was accepted on 31/12/2022.
2002.
2002.
Yes.
It is wrongly typed in your synopsis.
Maybe.
See your synopsis.
It is 2002.
2002, huh? See your synopsis.
That would be in that.
Huh?
2022 has been taken.
Yes.
But you kindly order it.
That's all right, but you see, the purpose of giving all these information is for the assistance of the court. You will give wrong informations. You have to be more careful when you draft the petitions. It appears that the petitioner, husband, had rendered more than 33 years of service. The pension of the petitioner's husband was sanctioned under the Assam Service Pension Rules 1969. However, after the expiry of the first wife of the petitioner's husband, he performed marriage with the petitioner as per Muslim rites and accordingly was living with her. After the death of the husband on 4/9/2014, the petitioner applied for family pension before the respondent number 3. However, nothing has been done. Situated thus, the present writ petition has been filed. Today, when the matter has been called upon after issuance of notice, MS Sharma, Learned Standing Counsel held, places the letter dated 1/4/2024 issued by the additional CMNHO within bracket FW, Nagaon, Assam, whereby it is informed that the petitioner has not applied for family pension with relevant documents like death certificate, next to kin certificate, marriage certificate, etc. It is specifically mentioned in the aforesaid letter that as and when the petitioner shall apply in proper way, her application shall be taken up by the competent higher authority. Stop. Relevant portion of the aforesaid order reads as under A to A. You put this whole thing. In view of the aforesaid endorsement made by learned so-and-so vis-a-vis letter dated so-and-so, This court is of the opinion that this writ petition can be disposed of with a direction that as and when an application with proper documents is submitted by the petitioner before the respondent authority, the same shall be considered in accordance with law within a period of
3 months.
3 months from the date of receipt of the application. In view of the aforesaid, the writ petition stands disposed of. And at the end, you write, a copy of the letter dated 1/4/2024 is kept on record and marked as A. Disposed of. I took going to dispose for it, matter.
In this matter, the department is going to file during the course of the day, affidavit of which is going.
All right. As prayed for by Mr. Goswami, S. Goswami, SK Goswami,
UK
no?
Goswami.
UK Goswami, Learned Counsel appearing for the respondent number,
All the respondents.
for the respondents, relist after a week.
Oh.
After a week, you want to file a rejoinder?
No, my lord.
After a week on a date to be fixed by the registry to enable the respondent to file the affidavit, which is submitted to be ready and is going to be filed during the course of the day.
Highly obliged.
Item number 30.
May I please? The parties has already exchanged their pleadings lawfully.
Ready?
Yes, Lord.
So I'll fix it for hearing. I'll admit it's a promotion matter.
Yes, sir.
It'll need some hearing. Looks very bulky.
But
Huh, Mr. Chakraborty?
Lordship, my only prayer, Lordship, there is a judicial order, Lordship, regarding hearing the matter, it has been some specific.
All right, that is okay, but it will need substantial hearing.
Lordship, this writ
Heard
was-
Mr. K. Kalita, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr.
PK Roy.
P.K. Roy, Learned Senior Counsel,
Lordship.
assisted by A. Chakraborty and Mr. B. Chakraborty, Learned Counsel appearing for the respondent numbers 9.
8 and 9.
8 and 9. First one is 7. It appears that the writ petition requires a full-fledged hearing. Admit no formal notice as parties are respondents are represented by their respective counsels. List for hearing in the month of September 2025 on a date to be fixed by the
Lordship,
registry.
fix a date, because this matter.
Yes,
was
it will
already-
come.
You may already heard earlier, Lordship.
It will come. Yes.
1 to 33.
Yes, ONGC, Standing Counsel, ONGC. None appears for the petitioner on call. None appears for the Learned Standing Counsel, ONGC either on call. It appears that,
Item number 31.
yes.
Yes.
You're there.
Yes, I know 31, 32 and 33.
Has the affidavit been filed by ONGC?
We are going to file reply.
Reply.
For 1 month time.
Then delete that order. Heard Mr. B. Chaudhary.
D Talukdar.
Huh?
D Talukdar.
B.
D Talukdar.
D. Talukdar, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Stop. Mr. Talukdar submits that seeks 2 weeks time. 2 weeks?
4 weeks time.
4 weeks time to file rejoinder against the affidavit in opposition filed on behalf of the respondent ONGC. Prayer allowed, list after 4 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Item number 31, 32, 33. Hello.
Lordship, may I fix a date, madam.
All right, next.
Item 34.
Hello, my senior is in next month, after something.
34, anything to be done, but affidavit's not filed.
Lots of instruction received, Lordship.
So you'll file an affidavit. So I'll record that you want your senior's presence. Why? Heard your presence is good enough. Heard Mr. J. Mehdi, Learned Counsel for the petition.
Mr. S. Anand.
Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner. Stop. Also heard Mr. A. Chakraborty, Learned Standing Counsel,
Junior government.
Learned Government Advocate for the state respondent.
3 and 4.
Mr. So-and-so submits that instructions on behalf of state respondent numbers
Lordship, 2, 3 and 4.
2, 3 and 4 has been received and accordingly seeks a short accommodation to place the same by way of return. Prayer is allowed, released after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Item 35.
Yes.
Then 35.
Reply Falcon. None appears for the parties on call, relist after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
36.
May please, your lordship, the senior is coming just for time being.
All right.
Obligement.
37.
Madam, both the petitioner are retired block elimination.
Sorry.
Block elimination officer, madam, all, it's small amount, my lord, area promotional benefit, my lord. 39,000 for the petitioner, 1 and 2 lakh.
Area?
30, only 39,000.
The area, what area?
Promotional benefit. Promotional benefit.
Promotional benefit.
Promotional benefit only, doctor. They are retired block eliminated.
And how much? 39.
One for the petitioner, 139, my lord. 39,000. And
Why this is not given?
and petitioner 2 my lord, 2 lakh 30.
Instruction awaited.
Huh?
Instruction is awaited, lordship.
What instruction?
Several death, my lord. How many
And
deaths?
otherwise
my lord?
also this,
No. I'm having this matter posted on Wednesday. You have your instruction. Otherwise, personal appearance. This cannot go on like this. Promotional benefits of 39,000 and not
that only area part, lordship.
whatever be it.
Lordship.
They are retired from 71.
This is his entitlement. How can it not be paid?
Lordship.
Right. Heard, Mr.
S. Rahman.
As Rahman, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Stop. Also heard, Mr. P.N. Sharma, learned standing counsel, Elementary Education Department. Stop. It appears that returns, despite several opportunities have been given, has not been submitted till date. It further appears that the issue involved in the aforesaid writ petition is not releasing the area due of a promotional benefit to the petitioner number 1 amounting to rupees 39,804 only for the period from July 2011 to October 2013, and the area dues of promotional benefits of the petitioner number 2 amounting to rupees 2,30,284 only for the period from July 2011 to February 2016. Stop. Let specific instruction as regard why the aforesaid areas has not been released till date to the petitioners, and by what and by the time period within which the same can be released be obtained and placed before this court on the next date of listing, failing which necessary orders, if required, also of personal appearance of the concerned officers shall be issued. Relist on Wednesday, Thursday,
Lord.
on such and such day.
Highly uploaded.
Item number 38.
Need please, your lordship. Lordship, my senior colleague lives on court number 5. So matter may be passable for time being.
What about the respondents' affidavits? Yes, who is appearing for the respondents? Are you going to file any return?
Yes, your lordship will be filing.
So then tell me, because it has come for after notice.
We will be granted some more time, your lordship.
What about respondent number 5? Has to refuse to accept the dusty notice. Anyway, let your senior come.
Number 39.
May I please, your lordship, today I am going to file affidavit in reply.
Affidavit. Heard, Mr.
P. Gohai, lordship.
P. Gohai, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. K.K. Parashar, learned CGC. Mr. Gohai.
Lords.
Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that the rejoinder affidavit is ready and the same shall be filed within the course of the day.
Lords.
In view of the aforesaid endorsement made by the Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner, relist after a week on a date to be fixed by the registry.
That was the submission of the petitioner.
That's all right. Let him file.
Lords.
Yes.
40.
May I please?
Yes,
Kindly-
Mr. Ajad.
Kindly see the order dated 34/20/25. my lord.
Yes.
Last
Yes,
person, the second
instructions.
time.
No, Your Lordship,
discussion, my lord.
we are yet
Why?
to- we are yet to receive, Your Lordship.
How many times? How much
A-
more
a-
time?
Salary and pensionary benefit, my lord. Please
But
recheck.
anyway, today is the third
My lord,
time,
my lord.
second time after notice, right?
Yes.
Lordship.
MS
H. Terangki, Your Lordship.
so and so seeks further 2 weeks time to complete her instructions, to file her return. Prayer is allowed, relist after so and so 2 weeks, huh? On a
Can I
date to be
plead
fixed
for
by
a date,
registry.
my lord?
You want to file something?
Presence maybe.
Oh, presence, give it to the court master.
Can I plead for a date, my lord?
He'll come.
Item 41.
Loilo appearance slip. Mr. Bhattacharjee, give it.
Please, Your Lordship.
Did you put this? Okay.
My lord, I may be allowed 1 week time to file rejoinder.
Rejoinder. As prayed for by Mr.
And Islam.
and M. Islam, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, relist after 2 weeks to enable the petitioner submit the rejoinder against the affidavit in opposition file on behalf of respondent number 4 on a date to be fixed by the registry. Highly obliged, Your Lord.
52.
In this case, my lord, representation number 6 has appeared, my lord.
6.
We'll file the affidavit.
Huh?
We'll file the affidavit.
You'll file affidavit, but what about the state 1, 2, 3, 5 and Pegu, Mr.
They have not
Pegu,
filed.
RM Barwa? So who all are going to file? I will allow at one go, not in piecemeal manner.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, all respondents. Heard Mr. D.A. Kayum, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner. Stop. Also heard Mr.
On behalf of M. Khan.
Mr.
TT Moni on behalf of
T.T. Moni. Learned Counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. M. Khan.
M.
Learned Counsel appearing for respondent number 6. Also heard Mr. So and so Learned Counsel appearing for respondent numbers 135. 135. And what about 4 and 2? None appears for respondent number 2 and 4 on call. Why you're not coming? MS, yes, for 2 and MS. Yes, Mr. Goswami for 4 and MS. Please appearance slip continue. No look. It appears that the notice service on in view of the above, it appears that service against all the respondents stands complete. Learned Counsels appearing for the respective respondents seeks 3 weeks time to file respective return in the matter. Prayer is allowed. A relist after 3 weeks to enable the respondents to file their respective return.
43.
Why pensionary benefits not given, Mr. Sharma?
Role to play in the matter.
Huh?
I have no role to play.
You have no role to play. No, for this code, it is you who has all the role to play.
No, my lord.
Huh?
Because
I believe your good office, through your good office, you ensure all the respondents give the pension. Huh?
problem here is, my lord, the petitioner was employee of the corporation, my lord.
Who is the concerned respondent?
The government of Assam
Where? Yes, Mr. Goswami.
was not a government employee, so does not have a role.
He's not a government employee.
He was the employee of a corporation.
Corporation, a government corporation. You mean he is not of central government?
State government.
You are for whom?
Accountant general.
Oh, you're for accountant general. But please file your respective returns, Mr. Goswami. No returns have come till now.
Third department is there, separate standing council is there.
AFDC.
Yes.
Where is Sharma? P. Sharma.
I am here only respondent.
I think can you call for Mr. Sharma, because let the fishery be there, because this matter is going on. No returns have come till now.
I'll try to inform.
Just ask him to be here. In his presence, if we give the time, probably if something will come up.
Number 44.
Promotion, Miss Barua.
May it please your lordship. Your lordship, yes, promotion, and there are actually series of malafide actions. That
What
was-
about the returns?
My lord, in this case, we have to file a.
Yes, you have to. So are you going to file or I'll close it?
We have to file it.
By when?
A 3 weeks time may be granted.
Your lordship, 2 weeks time was already given. It's already 1.5
All right.
My lord, I have already contacted and.
It's the first time after notice. As prayed, heard MSP Barua, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr.
AK Datta.
AK Datta, Learned Standing Counsel.
Not standing counsel for CGC.
Learned CGC. As
Appearing-
prayed for by Learned so-and-so, relist after 3 weeks to enable the respondent to file return in the matter.
Your lordship, there's an interim order also.
Interim, if any, shall continue till the next date of list.
Much obliged.
Supplementary list item number 62.
Last order, my lord, two.
Hmm?
Last order, my lord. Or two.
Last order.
2/5/2025, my lord.
Yes. What happened? 4 weeks time to respond. Yes. Where is Mr. Barua? Get your counterpart.
My lord.
Find out where your counterpart is. So after some time.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Three.
May I please your lordship? My lord,
Affidavit in opposition has been filed.
2 and 3 may be filed. One has not filed, my lord.
Who is one?
One is Indian Oil Corporation, my lord. My
Mr.
lord,
Nayak, you're there.
My lord, there is some mistake, my lord, in the address of respondent number 1, my lord.
Ah.
So that should be corrected, my lord.
So you
Matter
filed
was-
an application.
My lord, the matter was referred to the Lawazima, my lord. The order is here.
Who has done the impleadment? The office note says an amended cost title, impleadment of respondent 4 and 5. For 1, nothing is said.
My lord, I am for the petitioner, so in the cost title, my lord, the address of respondent number 1 is wrong.
But
So
that-
I want to correct that.
So you do whatever. Mr. So-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner submits that there has been some error while typing of the address of the respondent number 1 and accordingly seeks a week's time to do the needful. Prayer is allowed, relist after 1 week or 2 weeks.
1 week.
After a week on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Obliged.
Item 64.
Yes. 64.
Yes.
Madam, in this case, madam, I'm appearing for the first time for respondent number.
All right. You want some time?
For 2 and 3, madam. They have to serve me a copy, madam. A visual.
Give him a copy.
Visual copy, madam.
And Mr. Chutia, you're also there.
I am, yes, madam.
You would file any affidavits, Mr. Chutia?
Madam, we will file that.
You'll file. All right. Heard Mr. AHMR.
On
Huh?
behalf of Mr. HRS, J.M. Sulaiman.
JM.
J.M. Sulaiman.
So, so-and-so, learned counsel appearing for the writ petitioner. Mr.
I am for 1, madam.
Heard Mr. No, also heard Mr. T.Ch. Sutia, learned additional senior government advocate Assam for the official respondents. Stop. Last time you had sought time to obtain instruction in the matter. You received or not?
I have received the instruction, madam.
So you place it by way of an affidavit.
I am the standing counsel of the government.
That's all right.
Yes, fine.
Why don't you place those instructions?
I can also file, madam.
You file it and let him also file.
Same.
Then you say Mr.
SP Das, madam.
SP
SP Das.
Das Learned Counsel enters appearance on behalf of respondent numbers
2 and 3, madam.
2 and 3. However, he draws the attention of the court that a copy of the writ petition has not been furnished upon him. let a copy of so-and-so be furnished to him during the course of the day by the learned so-and-so. In the meantime, respondents are relist after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. In the meantime, respondents, if so advised, shall file their respective return in the matter.
Lordship, I sincerely apologize. To item number 63, my name is there, but someone has appeared and wrongly submitted something. Item number 6.
I don't know if somebody have
Only
submitted.
my name is reflected in the call list, Lordship.
You sort it out later. Yes, next.
Item 65.
Lordship, it should notice earlier, this is regarding payment of pension to the members of NCH Autonomous Council.
Pension.
Pension. Ex-members and ex-CM of.
Yes, where is standing council?
They are supposed to file affidavit.
Yes, nothing has come. This is NC Hills.
NC Hills.
Where is the standing council NC Hills? Why no attendance and no affidavit in a pension matter? Mr. Sharma, can you
Yes.
get hold of anybody from the standing council? I shall take it after something.
Time being item 38.
38,
Wait, please, Your Lordship.
38, we have received our instructions, Your Lordship.
Yes, but Mr. Banik, respondent number 5. There was an additional affidavit I thought I saw when I opened the files. Is this matter?
Respondent number 5, we say that, but in substance, what we say is that
If not required, I shall not go into it.
It's a very narrow campus. I'll give the page numbers, but what's it? That the respondent number's 5 name was sent for provincialization of his services. We have challenged that document on the count. There's an earlier order of the Honorable Court which says the formation of the school management committee and all orders
But
passed by.
R5 is complete or not complete? Service?
Complete. I'm told it's complete now.
Is it? No, because the office note.
I presume we have filed a Dusty's affidavit also.
Yes, from
Yes,
the
sir.
above, it appears
Yes.
that the respondent number 5 has refused to accept the
Yes.
dusty notice.
Dusty note. We have
Is not to be placed here. So then it is, where is that affidavit? The affidavit conduct, additional affidavit.
It's filed on 7th of April.
Hmm? Heard Mr. S. Banik, learned counsel appearing for the writ petitioner. Also heard MSD Mushahari, learned counsel appearing for
The secondary education department.
your standing counsel.
Yes,
Learned standing counsel, secondary education, within bracket respondent numbers. Please give the respondent numbers.
Lordship is 1, 2, and 3, Your Lordship.
1, 2, and 3. Office note dated 21/4/2025 indicates that though notice was issued to the respondent number 5 by way of dusty mode on 12/3/2025. However, when the respondent number 5 attempted to serve notice by dusty mode, the respondent number 5 refused to accept the same. An affidavit of service indicating the same has also been filed before this court on
7th of April.
7/4/2025. Stop. In view of the above, it appears that service in respect of respondent number 5 stands complete, deemed to be complete. MSD Mushahari, so and so, seeks how much?
2 weeks. Your Lordship.
2 weeks time to file return in the matter. Prayer is allowed. Relist after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. Anything more, Mr. Banik?
Item, time being item 43.
Okay, we're in this case.
Yes, Mr. Sharma, I think your role, you have a role to play in this.
Yes, Lordship, but I mistakenly played the role. I sought instruction from the fishery department. I should have sought instruction from the AFDC.
All right, you correct that. How much time?
2 weeks time.
Where is the counsel for petitioner gone now? When we put his appearance, he was there. No, Mr. Sharma, he was there that time. Naam to DDBO. Heard so and so for the learned petitioner. Also heard Mr. P. Sharma, learned standing counsel, AFDC, Assam, and Mr. B. Sharma, learned counsel appearing for
Number 6 AG.
6 AG. Mr. P. Sharma submits that seeks for how much time?
3
3 weeks time for filing return in the matter. Prayer is allowed. Relist after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. Please inform the petitioner's lawyer as well.
Pending item 62.
Yes. What is this?
2/5/2025, my lord.
Yes, you were required to, you were granted 4 weeks time to respond to the submission of the petitioners.
Lordship, we have already filed our affidavit. In the affidavit, it is clearly stated that they were.
No, this order is after your affidavit.
Lordship.
This judicial order, are you aware what had happened on the last date or not? Your affidavit is of 5/9/8/2024, and this judicial order is of 2/5/2025. Are you aware?
Yes, sir.
In view of the submission made by Mr. Barwad that despite not being able to meet the cutoff marks, similarly situated candidates, such as the writ petitioners herein, have been accommodated in other departments like IB, ITBP, SSB, etc. And MSR Devi, learned CGC, is granted 4 weeks time to respond.
Lordship, next Monday, it may be taken up.
So please say that. Then why are you saying you filed your affidavit and all that? If you simply say that you may given a further time, this court is liberal enough to give you that time. Why you unnecessarily waste the judicial time? Yes. MSR Devi, learned so and so, seeks further 2 weeks time. 2 weeks time to respond to the queries as indicated in the order of this court, in the order dated 2/5/2025 passed by this court earlier. Relist after so and so on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Pending item number 65.
I'm sorry.
Yes,
I'm sorry for keeping your.
pension matter, and you are still not filing, neither you are appearing nor filing your return. Yes,
I'm sorry for that, Lord.
Yes.
I was in other process.
that's all right. What about your return?
Affidavit we have filed, Lord. Today only we are filing, Lord.
You're filing today?
Yes. It's ready, Lord.
All right. Heard Mr. H. Sharma, learned counsel appearing for the HK Sharma, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Stop. Also heard Mr. R.M. Das, right?
Okay.
Learned standing counsel, NC Hills Autonomous Council, appearing for the respondent numbers 1, 2, and 3. Mr. So-and-so submits that the affidavit in opposition has ready and is going to be filed within the course of the day. In view of the aforesaid endorsement made by the learned standing counsel, relist after next week, Mr. Sharma, or after a week?
After 2 weeks.
Relist after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. In the meantime, if the petitioner are so advised, may file their rejoinder against the so-and-so.
Lord, deeply.
Real hearing, BA, item number 45.
May I please, may I please as an officer? My lord, a forest offense has been alleged against me. And my lord, more than 153 days.
Is that is there, Mr.
My
Sharma?
lord, the scan copy is there, my lord. I have gone through it.
My lord, I am pleased to find the offense report, my lord. That is 24, my lord.
This offense is under Wildlife.
Wildlife Protection Act, my lord, section 49B and section 39. and SIP the Wildlife Protection Act.
Since how many days? Earlier it was 100 days. Now
Now it is, my lord, 155,
155
my lord. My lord, the co-accused had been enlarged on bail, my lord, the main accused.
by this court.
No, my lord, by the trial court below.
No, but why has this matter been listed before this?
Because, my lord, there is an earlier order passed by my lordships, my lord.
Where are those?
Yes, yes, my lord, may be pleased to find that order is at page 37, Annex 9, my lord. Without rejection, remanding the matter back, my lord.
And which is the order by which the coordinate, you said,
My lord has been, yes, my lord.
co-accused have been, where?
My lord, may be pleased to find the is at page 40, my lord, Annex 11, my lord.
You have not been given.
No, my lord.
Where is that order
Yes,
rejecting?
yes, yes, my lord. The
One second, one second.
rejection page. My lord, my rejection is at page 39.
Co-accused granted because grounds of arrest was not given.
Not given, and exactly same, my lord, in my case.
Is
also.
it? Mr. Sharma, violation of Article 22.
That was there, my lord.
If that is there, nothing else.
No, but my lord,
Where, your rejection,
My
where?
lord, my at page 40, my lord. Oh, no, my rejection is at page 39, my lord. Yes, my
39.
lord. The prosecution case is that on 11, a team of so-and-so Custom Division Guwahati led by Superintendent Sri Utpal Das handed over one accused Sri Polas Pego along with one Royal Bengal.
You are being given rejected on merit.
My lord.
Yes, now from where since he has taken an allegation, his ground is that grounds of arrest not indicated. Where can you show that it has been given?
From the record, my lord, I have Blackmark, my lord, his involvement and my lord.
Involvement is secondary.
My lord, in the search sheet, my lord, it is clearly mentioned, my lord, how my lord information was.
No.
There, my lord, how they were.
What about the arrest memo?
Yes, my lord. That is, my lord, clearly that is not given.
Then,
my lord,
that is what is required. And this is wildlife
my lord.
protection. 155 days is already been in the custody.
My
Well, kindly for a moment, my lord.
Charge sheet already filed.
Yes, my lord.
Trial has started.
Trial has started, my lord. It
Trial,
is in appearance stage, my lord.
This, the evidence has not yet been started.
Yes.
Any criminal antecedent?
No, no, no.
Nothing has come.
Regarding that, my lord, there are nothing.
Nothing has
But
come.
my lord, kindly have a look at my lord, the first page of the my lord search sheet, my lord.
Where?
In the record, my lord.
Record kudas.
That is offense, final offense report, that is mentioned. Final offense reports.
This first flag.
First flag is by his involvement, my lord. First page of the my lord.
First page, you mean this?
The final offense report, my lord.
But where is the arrest memo?
It is not clearly.
So therefore, you don't have anything to show from the records that the ground of arrest has been given, correct? Yes or no? All right. Let's take down, huh? Heard, Mr.
A.R. Bhuya, my lord.
A.R. Bhuya, Learned Counsel, appearing for the writ petitioner. Also heard Mr. B. Sharma, Learned Special Public Prosecutor, appearing for wildlife. This is an application under section 483 of BNSS,
My lord.
2023, seeking grant of regular bail to the petitioner I. Madhuranjan Doloi.
Yes, Dole, my lord.
Doloi.
D-O-L-E-Y.
D.
DOLEY.
LEY, who was arrested on 28/2/2025
My lord,
in connection with ORD 56
my lord.
of 2024-2025 dated 11/1/2025, registered under section 9/39/40 within bracket 2, 48 capital A and 49 capital B of Wildlife Protection Act 1972. The brief facts of the case is that on 28/2/2025 at about 7:30 AM, on the basis of a specific intelligence input, a search warrant was issued, and upon conducting a search in the house premises of the petitioner, along with another co-accused, who were suspected to be related with the offense number ORD/56 of 2024-25 dated 11/1/2025, registered under Dhemaji Range, apprehended the aforesaid the petitioner and the apprehended the petitioner, however, could not find the co-accused, and during and also arrested the petitioner and seized one number of mobile phone from his possession as per Wildlife Protection Act 1972, so and so. Pertinent that earlier the petitioner, by filing bail application 1914 of 2025, sought regular bail from this court. However, this court, by order dated 2/5/2025, in view of the endorsement made by the learned additional public prosecutor that the final full offense report has been filed by the investigating officer before the learned jurisdictional chief judicial magistrate court, disposed of the bail application by giving liberty to the petitioner to appear before the jurisdictional chief judicial magistrate court, and in the event the petitioner appears before the jurisdictional chief judicial magistrate court, the jurisdictional chief court shall consider the bail prayer in accordance with law and pass appropriate orders. It appears that thereafter the petitioner appeared before the jurisdictional magistrate on 9/5/2025. However, his bail was rejected. Relevant portion of the rejection order reads as under page 39 A to A. Accordingly, the present petition has been filed. Mr. Bhuiya submits that the arrest of the petitioner is totally illegal, as the investigating officer has not informed the petitioner the grounds of arrest at the time of arrest. He further submits that the co-accused have already been granted bail by the Jurisdictional Chief Judicial Magistrate Court by order dated 9/5/2025. After considering that the grounds of arrest has not been furnished to them. Stop. Per contra, Mr. B. Sharma, Leonard APP, though fairly submits that there is nothing in the record to indicate that the grounds of arrest has been informed to the petitioner at the time of his arrest. However, strongly opposes the prayer of the bail in view of the fact that the involvement of the petitioner is apparent from the sufficient incriminating materials available in the record. Correct? Stop. Heard, perused, it appears that the primary ground urged by the petitioner in the instant bail application is non-furnishing of the grounds of arrest at the time of arrest. It is Vyan Kumar Kotha Didiba. Be that as it may, since the grounds of arrest has not been informed, the arrest is illegal. That apart, it appears that there is no any criminal antecedent available against the petitioner. It further appears that the petitioner has already been in custody for the last 155 days. Accordingly, bail is granted with the following conditions. Bail bond of
Any amount?
15,000, 30,000?
30,000, my lord.
30,000.
And my lord, the cooperation, my lord, the trial.
Satisfaction of?
My lord, session judge.
My lord, it is order of rejection is passed by the session judge Dhemaji, my lord.
Session judge Dhemaji. Aru cooperation trial. Didiba.
Obliged, my lord.
These are scanned copies.
My lord, can go.
Disposed of.
Obliged.
Orders, under number 46.
Disposed of. Yes, Mr. Gogoi.
And then area to submit the proposal.
May it please your lordship.
Lordships.
Yes.
Yeah, I just forwarded lordship. It says that lordship, their current salary will be as per the honorable court's order from July. Area the college to send a proposal lordship.
May it please.
I've sent the proposal.
As I've received the instructions, since from July, they have received the basic scale fee, which is 57,700. That is from the month of July. Your lordship may kindly peruse the order of 30/4/2025, where it is clearly written that it have to be with effect from 2016.
You file your affidavit.
That's why lordship that particular area part they have to send a proposal lordship.
So why are you not sending the proposal?
Lordship, I have complied with everything. I have submitted my undertaking as well, your lordship.
College authority have to send a proposal.
So what is to be done now, Mr. Gogoi?
Posted the matter after 4 weeks lordship. In the meantime, they will.
The college authorities also have been sent,
Proposal was not sent. Area proposal was not.
All right, counsel is not before the court. You sort out all this outside the court. Heard MS?
M. Zomapui.
Zomapui, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Stop. Also heard Mr. K. Gogoi, Leonard, you're appearing as? This is a contempt. Contempt now. This is a contempt petition. Then I'm not noting all this. You please find out what has happened. Because you see, this is not an executing court. I'm only going to see whether the order. In view of the prayer made by Mr. So-and-so, repose the matter after a period of 2 weeks.
4 weeks.
No, not 4 weeks. 3 weeks. 3 weeks.
Proposal after that we have to act upon.
You do whatever has to be done. It's a contempt matter. 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. Mr. Gogoi, I'm not recording this, but kindly do whatever is to be done. And in the meantime, you want to file any affidavit, you file.
Yes, sir. Obliged.
Item 47.
May it please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I'm appearing for the review petitioner in this matter, Your Lordship. Lordship, here we seek some accommodation today, my lord. Item may be fixed after 3 weeks.
47.
47.
In item 47, as prayed for by Mr. A. Fukan, learned counsel appearing for the review petitioner, which is not opposed by the learned counsel appearing for the respondent, relist after so and so.
May I prefer?
When?
After 3 weeks, ma'am.
3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Deeply obliged.
Item 48.
May I pray, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Your Lordship, this contempt petition has been filed alleging willful and deliberate violation of the order dated 25/6.
Mr. Nath, what about returns, replies?
For 1, 2, 3 and 4. I prefer some time for filing the.
1.
1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4.
What about any more respondent? Yes, Mr.
6 has already filed their affidavit.
Okay, as prayed for by Mr. D. Nath, learned counsel appearing for respondent numbers 1, 2, 4, relist after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry to enable the respondent stroke contemner to file return in the matter.
May I pray for a plea, Your Lordship? This person is on.
Here come Mr. Das next.
I'm staying on behalf of Dr. Ankit.
Yes.
Item 49. This matter will file a reply.
He'll file a rejoinder. As prayed for by Mr.
BP Bora.
BP, na? BV Barwa.
BP Bora.
PV Bora, learned counsel appearing for the writ petitioner, relist after
2 weeks.
2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry to enable the petitioner file return or rejoinder against the affidavit in opposition filed on behalf of respondent number 4.
51. May it please your lordship.
Yes.
This is a contempt matter, lordship. Service already completed.
It BP Bora, BP Bora. Yes. Service complete. No one has appeared. When was the service complete?
Delivered on 10/3/2025, lordship.
10/3.
Lordship.
Quite long. No?
Lordship.
We are in August.
August, lordship.
How come no one has come? Who are the contemners?
Lordship, that principal secretary, lordship. Can I be allowed to take Dusty, lordship?
Yes. It appears, I heard Mr.
P. Bordley, lordship.
P. Bordley, learned counsel for the petitioner. It appears that though notice has been delivered to the respondents on 10/3/2025.
Lordship.
However, there has been no representation on behalf of the contemner on call.
Lordship.
Till date, not on call, huh? Till date. Mr. Bordeloi seeks 1 week time for serving, for taking notice, for serving by dusty mode, which is allowed. Relist after so and so. It is needless to be clarified that if after the completion of the service by dusty mode, there is still no representation on behalf of the sole contemner, the contempt proceeding shall proceed in accordance with law against the contemptor. Relist on such and such date, the date did you after 3 weeks. So in your notice, you mentioned the date, huh?
Lordship.
2 weeks corridor. After 2 weeks, huh?
Oblige your lordship.
Item number 52.
Ex gratia.
Wait, please, madam. This is for enhancement of the execution. So this is an incident, a terrorist.
It's a review.
Review for killing of terrorists. They have received.
Review.
Review. Yeah.
How review?
Review in the sense, for enhancement of the compensation amount.
Enhancement and you see, Miss Counsel, review is for correcting error apparent on the face of the record, not for enhancement.
Exactly, enhancement along with review by your.
Why review? What is the error apparent in the order of this court?
I know, because central government, their stereotype affidavit, they just gave, and they themselves, they know central government that they.
Miss Counsel, what is the error apparent in the order of this court? What is the error?
That they haven't They haven't given a weightage to central government keeping quiet, whereas there is.
How can that be an error? How can that be an error, Miss Counsel? Where is the order of this court?
Page
Page
21, yeah. My lord, this 21, page 21 to 22, 28, 23 order. They are already paid, his skill by extremists.
Page.
Page 21 to 22 page.
Anyone appearing for the respondents?
Central government, actually, we are before your lordship.
First
That
time it has
way,
come.
yes. After that order, so just for enhancement along with review things because only of that reason. The central government, they haven't given any affidavit enhancing the amount, whereas it should have been that this court has.
The
withdrawn
writ
the
petition was
instances.
dismissed on withdrawing.
Yes, after that, Your Honor, we have filed,
After that, you have filed what?
we are before your lordship. with-
For what?
For enhancement of the amount.
Miss Counsel, please try and understand. You are an experienced member of the bar. Please try and understand the question that is being posed to you. You have filed a review application. Review. If you file a review, the grounds of review you are aware. There has to be an error apparent on the face of the record, correct? Now this order against which you have filed a review, for your benefit, let me read it out to you. Mr. So-and-so learned counsel appearing for Mr. So-and-so, for the petitioner has submitted on instruction that the petitioner may be allowed to withdraw the writ petition with the liberty to file afresh. Mr. So-and-so learned junior government advocate Assam for the respondent number so-and-so are present.
So in that case, Your Honor,
In view of the above submission made by Mr. So-and-so learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, the writ petition stands dismissed on withdrawal with the liberty as prayed for. And now you want a review of this order? Now, what kind of a submission are you making before this court? Is this some kind of a joke going on? This is a constitutional court. What review you want against this order?
not exactly, this, Your Honor.
What review do you want? The nomenclature of this petition is a review. You're before a review court now. What review do you want?
For that matter, pardon me, Your Honor. Only the thing is what, that we should come before this court only for the enhancement of that amount. 5 lakhs, after that, they're keeping quiet. Their own ordinary notification says that it can be enhanced. Only with that prayer, we have come before your lordship. And that.
You see, it is very difficult for the court to dismiss this review petition with heavy cost. But the problem is, someone else is going to suffer because of your mistake. Otherwise, it's a very easy course.
That part, my lordship, pardon me for this.
No.
But the main.
Heard MS?
Decent.
So and so learned counsel for the petitioner. By way of this review petition, the petitioner is seeking review of the order dated 26/6/2024, passed in writ petition number 5118 of 2023. And Miss Counsel, here you're talking about something else, about the ex gratia and all. Which is the order? I think you just delete this order. Relist after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. Please have a look at your file properly before you make submissions before the court.
53.
In this matter, I am appearing for respondent number 2, but I have not received the copy of writ petition.
Where is the counsel for the writ petitioner? Please give her a copy. You're appearing for the petitioner. Mr. Mohanta? Mr. Biswas? I am speechless. I'm totally speechless. I don't know if things goes on like this, it will become very difficult for both, for the bar and for the bench, isn't it? This is how it is going on. The council refused to even address the court. Walks in and walks out. Very strange. Yes, anybody appearing in this matter for the petitioner? You have received?
Yes. I have
You're going to file an
received
affidavit?
Yes, yes.
None appears for the writ petitioner on call. MS
R. Kakoti.
R. Kagoti, Learned Counsel appears for respondent number
Two.
2. MS so-and-so further seeks 2 weeks time, 3 weeks,
3 weeks. then,
3
but I-
weeks time to file return in the matter.
but-
Prayer,
Lordship, but I have not received the copy of writ petition.
oh, you have not received the copy of the writ petition. Then say Miss So-and-so submits that a copy of the writ petition has not yet been furnished to her. Let registry intimate the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner to do the necessary in this regard. Relist after a week on date to be fixed by the registry. A copy of this order may be given to the learned counsel appearing for the parties.
Item 54.
Impleadment. Impleadment.
Lordship, here regarding to,
Hmm?
we have filed.
Yes,
affidavit
but
on behalf of respondent number 1 and 2.
1 and
2.
3, it seems, await service in respect of respondent number 3. Relist after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. And on top, you say none appears for the petitioner on call. Heard, Mr.
R. Sahani on behalf of the.
R. Sharma.
Sahani.
Sahani
on behalf of
Ani on behalf of
Deena.
D.
Deena.
Nath. Yes.
Oh,
Item 55.
Made to the Lordship.
Yes.
File one application for amendment, Lordship. That
Amendment.
petition is not before your Lordship.
The IA is not before this
Not before
court.
this
You
court.
want it to be listed when?
Next week, Lordship.
Okay, you have the number of the
Yes,
IA.
filing number H.
All right, just 1 second. Heard Mr. R. Sharma, learned counsel appearing for the applicant stroke petitioner. Also heard Mr. T.J. Mahanta, learned senior counsel assisted by MSP Sharma, learned counsel for the APSC. Anybody else? And MS S Sharma for learned PWD. Learned Senior Counsel PWD. Stop. Mr. R. Sharma submits that an interlocutory application being
Filing number
being
8319.
within bracket due date, filing number
8319. of
8319 of 2025
Yes, Lordship.
has been filed for amendment. However, the same is not listed. Let registry verify. But you see, if there is any mistake and all, you correct it because it's still in the filing
I
number.
shall verify, Lordship. I shall do that.
Then I will not say that because we don't know.
Yes, because it was filed on 25/6 and if there might be some difference.
But it's still in the filing number. You don't even have the IA number.
Yes, sir.
No,
It may come in the next. I shall.
however, relist after 3 weeks. In the event the interlocutory application is registered and numbered by then, let the same be also tagged along with the instant cases.
56.
Wait, please, Your Lordship. Well, this is an application filed by the applicant respondent number 4 for striking out his name. But he's been wrongly added as a party herein. But he's a member finance, not a EDFNA.
You want to struck off his name?
Yes, yes.
You are the petitioner.
No, I'm the applicant. My friend
Who
has
is the
filed.
petitioner?
That,
Any objection?
that the concerned person is Mr. J. Balashekar.
All right, but we have to find out the petitioner has to give consent. Yes.
Yes, Madam. In this petition, I have no objection. This says respondent number 4. The notice was sent. Sri Pankaj Malhotra, Executive Director FNA, RG Bhavan, Garden Airport, New Delhi. In that address, I sent notice as per the court's order, last day's order. But now he is telling that he is not holding that board. I sent the letter in
Mr.
this
Dubey,
address. How she got the letter?
in the original order, R4 is a party.
Lord, Act 4 is not a party.
Where is
Act
the
4 by designation, Lord. Lord,
where is the
if
original
you look at
order?
the array of parties here, Lord,
Where?
not in the application itself.
Yes.
Lord, Sri Pankaj Malhotra, Director, F&A, RG Bhavan, Safdarganj Airport. This is what they have implemented in the contempt petition. Now, the name of the person concerned is J. Balashekar. Mr. Pankaj Malhotra is a member finance. So it is they who has.
Needful, Mr. Counsel. It will serve you no purpose by having a wrong person.
That is what.
So you do the correction.
I'll provide him the name.
Yes.
Yes.
So I will struck off this name. And in the meantime, you file an application and implead the correct person. Correct?
Yes, no.
Heard Mr. R. Dubey, Learned Counsel, appearing for the applicant. Also heard Mr. So and so, Learned Counsel, appearing for the respondent stroke petitioner. By way of this interlocutory application, the applicant is seeking striking out of the name of the respondent stroke contender number 4 in the array of parties, from the array of parties in the accompanying contempt proceedings. Stop. It is the specific case of the applicant that though Shri Pankaj Malhotra has been impleaded as respondent stroke contender number 4 in the accompanying contempt proceeding, i.e. contempt case number 59 of 2025 against the post of executive director within bracket FNA RG Bhavan Safdarjung Airport New Delhi so and so. However,
Para 4 more.
it is one. Where do I get the name?
Lord, member finance, your lordship. Name I have not said. Lord, he is holding the designation.
Tell me the name.
J. Balashekar.
However, it is one
J. Balashekar.
J. Bala Shekhar, who is actually holding the set post of executive director within bracket FNA.
My lord.
And Shri Pankaj Malhotra is the
member finance.
Is the
member finance.
Member finance. Stop. Paragraph 4 of the interlocutory application reads as under. Reading of the aforesaid, it is apparent that that R4 stroke contender number 4 has been wrongly named. Accordingly, name of Shri Pankaj Malhotra is struck off from the array of respondents stroke contemners in contempt case number 59 of 2025. Application stands allowed and disposed of. In the main contempt petition, you write, in view of striking off of the name of respondent number 4, I, Shri Pankaj Malhotra, the petitioner is at liberty to bring the correct incumbent of the post of executive director FNA RG Bhavan Safdarjung so and so on record in the instant contempt proceeding. Relist after 3 weeks to enable the petitioner to do the needful in this regard. You file appropriate application. IA disposed of, huh? None appears for the petitioner on call. You are appearing.
I'm appearing for item number 57, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Yes, I'm appearing for respondent number 7.
You are there.
Yes.
You are for the petitioner.
Petitioner. One.
So I think all the services are not complete, right?
Complete service. What kind of key? One order.
No, this is
order. Law Jama court order.
in respect. 7 is complete. 2, 3, 4, and 6, no AD cards or unserved notice have been received. No, 2, 3, 4, and 6 have been delivered.
Delivered.
Complete. What about 5? Complete. So you are appearing for?
For respondent number 7, your lordship, respondent.
What about the others?
No. Your lordship, respondent number 5 and respondent number 6, they are actually, as instructed by my senior, that this matter is particularly deals by regional provisional.
No, but someone has to appear.
One has to appear.
Heard Mr. A. Das.
Yeah, man.
A. Ahmed.
Yes.
Learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Stop. Also heard Mr. U. Laskar on behalf of
D. Nandi.
D.
D. Nandi.
Nandi. Learned counsel appearing for respondent number 7.
We will file an affidavit.
And
I'm M. Das appearing on behalf of SK Mehdi, CGC for respondent number 1.
R1. 7 and 1. As regards the other respondents, the office note dated 17/7/2025 indicates that service in respect of the aforesaid respondents stands complete. Mr. So-and-so and MS so-and-so seeks 2 weeks' time to file written in the matter. Prayer is allowed. Released after 2 weeks, 3 weeks, make it 3 weeks. 3 weeks, released after 3 weeks and a date to be fixed by the registry.
Date pension matter.
Yes, next.
Item number 66.
It's a pension matter.
Pension matter.
Make it 2 weeks and give a date. 2 weeks pension. It is needless to be clarified that since the issue involved in the aforesaid writ petition is relating to non-payment of pension, the return shall be positively filed by the next date of listing.
22nd.
22nd August.
Item 66.
This matter service is perhaps not completed. Respondent
66.
Lordship, I have a small prayer. Lordship, can you direct us to serve that copy in alternative mode?
Heard Mr. PJ Das, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. RB Goswami, learned counsel appearing for respondent number 123, and Mr. D. Bhattacharjee, learned standing counsel AG ANE Assam for the respondent number 4. Mr. Bhattacharjee? 4. It appears that service in it appears from the office note that service in respect of respondent number 5 is not complete in view of the fact that the same has been received unserved with the following postal remark, quote unquote, addressee out of station long time, comma, hence return to sender. Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel of the petitioner, seeks yes, how do you want to serve? Seeks 6 fresh steps, including by dusty mode. Prayer is allowed, released after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. In the meantime, the respondents, if so advised, may file their return.
Typing item number 8, 9, and 10.
Yes.
I could not contact the Chanaboti. 8 and 9.
Then your case we can dispose.
Yes.
Or even the other one also, I think same only.
Recent order.
No, Mr. Gogoi?
Most probably, Mr. Digo has submitted a similar order, your lordship.
Yes, yes, I have it.
Another
The only problem is that give me. Mr. Sharma, give me.
Another recent order is there, my lord, very fine.
I think we can take up the 3 matters together also, even if the petitioners are not.
Yes.
Yeah.
3 petitions, huh? 8, 9, and 10. Heard Mr.
J. Sharma.
J. Sharma, no? Learned Counsel appearing on in WPC 4576 of 2020. However, there is no appearance on behalf of the petitioner in WPC so and so, despite the names of 3 counsels being reflected in the cause list and having been called twice before this court. Stop. Also heard Mr. R.R. Gogoi, na? R.R. Gogoi, Learned Standing Counsel, Forest. Stop. Here also 1/4/1993.
Yes, my lord.
Same thing, right?
Same.
The claim of the petitioners is that they have been working as casual workers prior to 1/4/1993 in various divisions of the Department of Environment and Forest, Government of Assam. Correct?
My lord.
Although the process of regularization of casual workers was undertaken in the year 2008, but due to posting of the petitioners in remote areas, their cases was not considered for regularization. Such being the position, the petitioners have filed this writ petition seeking their regularization and service. Mr. J. Sharma, Learned Counsel, for the petitioner in so-and-so, fairly submits that after judgment was rendered by the division bench of this court, reported in State of Assam versus Upen Das, reported in 2017, volume 4 GLR at page 493, the petitioners cannot claim regularization of their service, but they can be considered for grant of minimum pay scale in terms of paragraph number 22 of the said judgment. Next para. Mr. R.R. Gogoi, Learned Standing Counsel, Forest Department submits that even for extending such benefit, the respondent authorities concerned should be given liberty to verify the case of each individual in order to see as to whether they are eligible to be considered to be given the minimum pay scale. He further submits that such consideration can be done by the committee constituted by the principal chief conservator of forest. Upon hearing the learned counsels for the parties, the writ petitions are being disposed of with a direction to the respondents to place the case of the writ petitioners before the constituted committee for verification and scrutiny. In the event the petitioners are found to be entitled to be given the minimum scale of pay, the same should be given to them expeditiously. The entire process should be initiated and completed within a period of 3 months from the date of receipt of the certified copy of this order. The writ petitions accordingly stands disposed of. Because there was the other two also keeping it makes no sense. Should I say to give a copy to all the councils? Let registry furnish a copy of this court's order to all the learned councils appearing for the parties.
Well,
So that the other councils will also know what has happened.
obliged.
Lord.
Yes.
Item 14 and 15.
It took you, Asila.
Affidavit in the writ petition.
But none appears for the I got to Asila na petitioner ukil Nasila. First time on Nasila. Are you sure? None appears for the petitioner despite the matter being called twice. Heard MSRS as comprised Learned Standing Council KAC. MS so-and-so Learned Standing Council KAC seeks how much time? 3 weeks time to file return in the matter. Prayer is allowed, relist after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Okay.
Pending item number 36.
Yes.
I heard it in 26.
Huh?
36.
36.
Yes,
Well,
36. Are you appearing in 36 or not, Mr. Chetri?
Yes, I'm appearing.
Yes.
But here, they have filed an affidavit, my lord. I have to file reply.
All right.
3 weeks time. maybe.
All right. Heard Mr. B. Chetri.
Lord.
Learned Counsel appearing for the writ petitioner. Also heard Mr. T.C. Chutia, learned additional senior government advocate for the state respondents. Mr. Chetri, learned so-and-so, seeks how much time?
3 weeks time.
3 weeks time to file rejoinder against the affidavit in opposition filed by the state respondent. Released after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. Board is complete.
Lordship is so fast. No problem.
What is what is it?
Gas complex. Gas.
Yes, yes. Comprise. Yes, Sharma. And I will go. No one is there. Sharma. SKR or SAR? SAR. OH. That is very hard.
The service people write SAR, the other people write SAR.
So it's right SKR. Item 66 is PGNAS and RD was one. RD was one. Then D Bhattacharya. D Bhattacharya. CGC.
Yes, আর বইব আর বইব দোকান না বই
Here, ma. But this Ramdas. 57.
Yeah, well, yeah, because you ask for a help of B and D, then.
পড়েছি
You know,
Or
whatever.
you does not you, not you does.
Oh, B, what is that? B. EU.
Let, कोई लगा करो। कौन सा कोई लगा?
I think 56 was for the respondent.
Please,